What are some helpful activities for people with dementia that can reduce maybe some challenging behaviors or even just activities that you see people with dementia often enjoy?
Music therapy. That's probably my number one thing. I see the joy in my geriatric patients and they love is I could be driving in my car and a song comes on from 20 years ago and I immediately remember it. Well, it's the same thing for our dementia patients. They immediately remember that Beatles song or Michael Jackson song or even far back, Frank Sinatra, whatever.
Yeah.
And they'll start singing it. And maybe they've had a really stressful time. Maybe it was the lady that was in the shower and that was super stressful for her. And we immediately put on her favorite music. Some of my patients that can't even communicate, they have no speech anymore. You put a set of headphones on them and put their favorite music on that the family's given you. They immediately just start singing. You can tell they calm. So I love music therapy and even puzzles. If they're in the first couple of stages, they can still work on puzzles. It helps keep their mind sharp. It helps keep their fingers. When they lose this, they can't use a spoon. So if you keep doing those small activities that help use your fingers, it helps keep those things sharp.
Yeah, good point with, having the dexterity with your hands, because eating is one of those activities of daily living that obviously, if you can't do it, that's going to require somebody to be right there feeding you, which is going to require more support. And if you're a caregiver yourself, that's going to require more of your time. And so you want to help them keep that as long as possible.
Yeah. Trivia. They might not remember their daughter's name, but they remember facts from the past. And those things keep them fresh and keep their mind working. And it's good to keep them in some activities during the day so behaviors don't happen. If you think about it, if you leave them in a dark, cold room on the couch with a TV going on and you leave them there for hours, well, they're going to get bored. And when they get bored, behaviors happen.
Right. Oh, for sure. Same thing with kids.
Yes.
Right? You put them in front of a TV for hours and hours and it's okay, well, you're really cranky now. You probably shouldn't have watched so much TV and done that. So, okay.